Croeso nôl i'r Wythnos. This week's First Minister's questions saw party leaders go head-to-head over housing and the economy, a fitting theme given that the Welsh Government's draft budget for 2026 to 2027 was also unveiled and debated. And in other news, we at Camlas have some exciting updates of our own to share, so stay tuned until the end. Questions without notice from party leaders during this week's First Minister's questions focused heavily on the Welsh Labour Government's record, particularly on the economy and housing. Welsh Conservative leader Darren Miller criticised Labour for missing housing targets and letting prices spiral, while Plaid Cymru's Srin Ap Iorwerth turned his attention to the economy, pressing Labour on its plans for the Welsh economy and its ties with UK Labour.
Next on the agenda was the budget debate, where the Cabinet Secretary for Finance and Welsh Language delivered a statement announcing the draft budget. The announcement prompted responses from several members across the opposition parties. It's important to note that this budget will be inherited by the next Senedd, which will be elected in May 2026. However, it also faces significant uncertainty as Labour's ability to maintain a working majority could be threatened if they lose the upcoming Caerphilly by-election next week. Speaking of the Caerphilly by-election, Camlas are pleased to announce that we have teamed up with Survation to release a voter intention poll for the by-election. The results can be found on our Twitter, Instagram or Blue Sky and show that if the results of the election are reflected by the poll, Wales could be in for an enormous political shake-up.
Next week, expect questions to the Cabinet Secretary for Transport in North Wales and the Cabinet Secretary for Social Justice, as well as statements on the implementation of the Welsh Language and Education Wales Act and a more transparent NHS. There will also be a debate held by the Welsh Conservatives on education outcomes, and on the 23rd of October, the Caerphilly by-election will be taking place. That's all from us at Camlas this week. Thank you for listening. Hwyl am y tro.